Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to delete table in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First table, apply method number 1. Select full table. Press delete on your keyboard. And now you can see this delete and apply method 2. Apply method 2, delete rows or rows and column full table. Then right click on your mouse. See this delete rows, delete column and delete cells. Delete any mode, delete. And method 3, select again full table, go to edit tab, delete drop down, delete values. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.